driving on the wrong side of the road again through beautiful countryside in glorious sunshine. It can only be France trip in September. It's Friday and it's day 5 of our French adventure. We have spent the last 3 days here at the Camping Grand Large in Normandy, but today is a moving day and we're moving on, and we are going to be heading a little bit inland and a little bit south. We are heading kind of towards the Pyrenees, but we don't know how long that's going to take. So off today and we'll see where we end up. Not quite sure yet, depends how far we can get driving. We will be stopping for food along the way because it's a stock-up day after 3 days here on the campsite. So Bernie's just packing us up now and we're all good to go. We'll see you wherever we get to. So we've been on the road a fair few hours today. We have come out of Normandy now and we are in the Pays de la Loire region, and we are heading towards a town called Mayenne. Mayenne is a little town on a river. The river is also called Mayenne, which apparently that's the only place in the whole of France where that happens, where the town and the river and the department that the town is in are all of the same name, so it's a little bit confusing. So we are going to Mayenne, on the Mayenne, in Mayenne. We're not far out now, about 5 or 6 miles, so we should get to the campsite quite soon. We'll see you when we get there. I think we're here. Camping de Saint-Léonard, that's the one. Let's go in and have a look.
What's the queue? Reception?
Reception, yeah. This way. Oh, it looks nice.
Very nice.
Very good.
Oh, there's some cars here.
There is.
You have reached your destination.
Let's go see the lady. And here we are on our pitch in Camping, I can't say this one, Camping de Saint-Leonard. I'll put the little name across here. And this is our pitch for the night. This is just a one-night stop, which actually is a bit of a shame because it is beautiful here and it is a lovely little campsite. As you can see, our pitch is huge. It has electricity and water. And this campsite is right on the riverbank of the river Mayenne. If you come through here, there you are, there's the river, right there. Like I said, this is just a one-night stopover, so we're not really going to get a chance to explore much. It's quite late in the afternoon already. It's gone 4 o'clock. But this is definitely a candidate for coming back and staying again and exploring more in the region. Oh, Bernie getting dinner ready. This isn't an active campsite, this is just an independent campsite, and for the night, with electricity and water, showers, etc., it is costing us €13.20, which is fantastic value for money. It's not a bad view from your pitch, really, is it? Oh, jumping fish. So this is our little row where we are. The sun is out. We drive down the little road from the main road up there, Pull into the car parking space and there is reception. Put yourself in, really friendly, spoke English, no problem. And then you come and pick a bitch. There's a covered area where you can sit with ping pong tables, balls, kids play area. And this is the facilities block. Let's go around this side first. Washing up sinks, hot and cold water. Big clothes washing tubs, my favourite. Around the front to the loos. Separate loos for gents and ladies, which is always really nice. And this is the loo block. It's very new, it's lovely. Loos with toilet paper and toilet seats. Sinks! Yoo-hoo! There's a large disabled, and as you can see, it's all pristinely clean, gorgeous. Showers, push button showers, hanging hooks. There we are. I think these toilets get a big thumbs up. Just more pictures that head onto the river. And no doubt there is a path along the riverside. There's supposed to be a path that goes all the way into town, all into Mayenne. But we're not going to be able to do that today, which is a bit of a shame. So, Chef Bernard, what's for tea tonight? Ugh. Oh, beef skewers. Yum. And here is Bernard's finished masterpiece. Fresh, gorgeous, lovely food. Fabulous. Well, good morning, good morning. It's day 6 and it's another moving day. Good morning, Bernard. I lied. I am just going to grab my cup of tea, well, my cup of coffee, and I am just going to go and sit down here like this. Grab a chair and just look out on that lovely view while I have my cup of coffee. Oh, lovely. Lovely jubbly. Stick my feet up. Oh, lovely. And then we'll be off to our next stop. Who knows where that will be? But wherever it is, I'm sure it'll be glorious.